Oh man. 2 o'clock in the morning. Already got a few hours of sleep, probably about 5 or 6 hours. So I think I'm about to go ahead and get up now. Start getting the day started. Ah, man, first, I'm about to take me a walk to the store. Real rap. Probably about to get me a coffee. Get that caffeine in me. I'm gonna come back. Start on my hygiene. And then I'm gonna get me a light workout in. Take my supplements. You know what I'm saying? For the light workout, we're probably just gonna do some stretches. And some shadow boxing, nothing too crazy, just a little light workout. That walk will also be part of my workout, of course. Get that walk in. Come back, give me some stretches. And some shadow boxing, you know what I'm saying? That's gonna be my little light workout. Start on my hygiene. 2 o'clock in the morning, man. So I'm gonna get ready. And then I'm probably gonna take me another nap just to get that little extra rest in. But I'm getting the day started now. Getting it started now, bro. I like to get up when 75% of the population is still sleeping. That's what I like to do. There's a few people that's out grinding. Like, whoever's driving that truck right there, they up. They grinding, they getting to it. I'm up, I'm grinding, I'm getting to it. Feel me? Keep myself ahead of the competition. I'm out working all the rest of my students and all my peers in my welding class. Man, I'm out working all of them right now. Outworking all of them. Most of them ain't doing what I guarantee most of them, if not pretty much all of them. I'm willing to put money on it. They're not doing what I'm doing. They're not literally documenting their whole entire process through welding school. You know what I'm saying? They might, and some of them might have a resume, but I took it a step further. I got a LinkedIn profile. So I'm gonna have my physical resume on paper. And then I got my digital resume with my LinkedIn profile. So I got my digital resume and my physical resume. Most of them probably only got their physical resume. Which is cool. I mean, shit, as long as they got their resume. As long as they grinding. They just not grinding as hard as I am, that's all. Because most of them are comfortable. You know what I'm saying? Some of them, if not damn near all of them, they got their parents and, you know what I'm saying? They haven't really stepped foot into that adult world yet, to where they really got to do for themselves. You know what I'm saying? I ain't got my parents. I ain't got no parents to go home to after school. When school's over, I don't go home to my mama and my daddy. I can't do that. I ain't got my parents. They got their parents and they comfortable, they good. They don't feel like they gotta grind as hard as I gotta grind. Understandable. And I love it too, because I feel like I'm gonna be way more successful than them because I'm working harder than them. So it only makes sense It only makes sense. Everything I'm doing is gonna build compounded interest like crazy. I'm getting my day started at 2 o'clock in the morning. Taking my walk. About to get my coffee. You know what I'm saying? Taking this walk, about to get this coffee. I'm gonna go back to the hotel room, get me a little light workout in, do my hygiene. You know what I'm saying? Then I'm probably gonna lay back down for a couple of hours. You know what I'm saying? Then I gotta be in class for 8 o'clock. We just had a whole entire week of no class. We had a whole week break. We had a break for a whole entire week. And boy, did that feel good. That break is over now. We got to get back at it. Break officially over. Break officially over. We now going into October. You can feel it too. I can feel the weather changing. It's getting cold now in the mornings. Late night. Starting to get cool now. Usually still warm or hot during the day, but at nighttime, once that sun goes down, I can feel that autumn weather kicking in. It feels good, but at the same time, I don't like the cold weather, man. But I guess it's good for now, you know what I'm saying? It's nice for it to cool down for a little bit. You know what I'm saying? And the good thing about that is there won't be any mosquitoes. And that's one thing I hate. There's one thing I hate about the summertime in Louisiana. Some goddamn mosquitoes, man. But once it starts to get cool out, the mosquitoes start to die out. So that's one thing I like. No more mosquitoes for now, at least for the next couple months. That's all I need for now. I've been training hard, man, for the last few days. I didn't just, you know what I'm saying, I've been working out with my personal boxing trainer, because I got a personal boxing trainer. He just started training me. We only have one session so far, but we're about to have our second session More than likely sometime this week, maybe today, maybe tomorrow, I don't know yet. But we about to have these sessions though. Probably today, hopefully. I'm gonna try to get it in today. Hurry up and get it out the way right at the start of the new week. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it. I don't even know. We got our gallon of water. We drinking these. Got 2 of them. I ain't playing no games. That's all we doing, man. We drinking straight spring water around here. Spring water. I don't drink soda. I've been stopped drinking soda years ago. You're not gonna catch me with a soda ever. But I will drink juice or tea. Juice or tea is the closest thing you're gonna see me to getting to soda, man. You ain't gonna see me drinking those sodas. You better get your diet and your health on point. Bananas. And look what else we got. Creatine. That's the only supplement I'm taking right now. The only supplement I'm taking right now is creatine. I'm trying to get my muscle mass up. Muscle mass, strength, all of that. It also helps with other things as well. It even helps your brain. It increases your strength, builds muscle, gives you more energy, but it also does other things. It's even good for your brain. Already, man. These are the things I'm doing at 3 o'clock in the morning, getting ready for school. I'm gonna go ahead, start fixing the bed up, start getting my welding gear ready. These are the things y'all need to do that y'all don't do, man. You're doing the things that other people don't do. So you know I'm gonna be highly successful because I got a millionaire routine. I got a millionaire morning routine. So there's no way in hell I'm not gonna be highly successful if my morning routines are looking like this. Think about how much more stuff you could get done just by simply just getting up a couple of hours earlier than what most people do. Think about how much ahead of the curve you're gonna be compared to everybody else. You know what I'm saying? Welcome to the United States of America, man. It's a competition out here, whether you like it or not. You gotta compete, and you're a man. As men, we're competitive by nature. You're supposed to want to compete. I want to compete. I'm competitive, man. I'm a man. I'm a grown man. I'm competitive, man. I got an athlete's mindset. I'm competitive, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm competitive. It's not nothing personal. It's just business. But I'm competitive. You know what I'm saying? So, I'm competitive, dog. Absolutely. I am competitive. Heard me? Competitive, bro. Let me get ready for this welding. Already, bro. So now, I'm about to eat my breakfast. I'm about to start posting up more welding content, more school content. That's something I've been slacking in. Posting up school content and stuff like that. Morning routines and things like that. That's something I've been slacking in that I should have been doing. It's all good. And then I got a biscuit with egg and cheese on it. I know I still got some people that watch me that are vegan. I'm trying to go back vegan. That's the plan. That's the goal. I just haven't done it yet because I gotta get in a better position. I gotta get more stable before I can go fully vegan again. When I get fully stable, that is the goal. The goal is for me to go vegan again. I'm still plant-based. You know what I'm saying? I'm still plant-based. Don't get me wrong. It's not like I'm a meat. I ain't no goddamn meat lover out here, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm still plant-based, which still means about 75% of my meals consist of fruits and vegetables. You know what I'm saying? I got my bananas over there. I got water, tea. Like most of the things I'm consuming is still vegan or vegetarian. So basically I'm on a plant-based vegetarian diet right now. Basically. The goal is for me to go back vegan again. I used to be vegan strictly, and I fell off. You know, I'm gonna get back there. When I get back in a stable position again, then we can do those things. Well, I get food stamps too, so when my food stamps come in, my food stamps pretty much go towards straight vegan food. But when all I got is cash, that is what it is. A lot of vegan foods are expensive. And I'm not willing to spend cash money on those things. But I will spend my food stamps on it. Absolutely. I'm watching this commercial right now, boy. I can't believe this man. Is this pastor who calls himself Peter Popoffs. I remember seeing this shit in the mail. It used to come into the mail years ago, where he would send you some type of miracle spring water, and at the same time he wants you to send him money. Man, these Christian pastors are something else, man. They give Christianity and they give religion a bad look. Like, this nigga really calls himself Peter Popoffs. Like, what? And then you're asking people for money. And look at his name, Popoffs. And you asking people for money. Like, y'all can't see the game this dude playing? Come on, man. He literally asking you to pop him off with some money. That's crazy. His stuff used to come into the mail. It used to pop up in my mailbox years ago. Now he got his own commercial. Something else. Something else. And there's a white dude, and all the people in this commercial are black. Why is there all black people in the damn commercial, man? I ain't seen a white person yet. What the heck? That's some weirdo stuff. That's some real deal weirdo stuff right there. And look, yep, same. Oh my God. That's why I'm not religious, man. Because I see through the BS too easy. face wash, moisturizer, toothbrush, floss, cologne, all the hygiene stuff. I'm about to take a shower. I got that good body wash too, man. I gotta step y'all hygiene game up, man. Step y'all body wash game up, man. Thoughtfully made with cleaning, you see what I'm saying? I might just go get me another bottle. Look at the ingredients. Got that good old plant-based look. Simple ingredients. It tells you exactly what it is. You know what I'm saying? What it actually means. See, I've never seen any other body wash company, you know what I'm saying, carry themselves like this. Is probably my favorite new body wash is Native. I might go get me another bottle today, man, because this one's almost finished. My favorite body wash. And then my second favorite body wash is this Method Man. It's my second favorite one. Plant-based. I think they smell better. The Method Man smell better than the Natives, but I still like the Natives better because they tell you exactly what they have in it. They tell you the exact, you know what I'm saying? Like you see these right here, you don't know what that means. But then when you come right here, then they tell you exactly what it means. I like that. I like the fact that they tell you exactly what it is. So you know exactly what they got in those ingredients. It's my favorite body wash. My two favorite body washes of all time right now. That's the only body wash you're gonna catch me using. I'm not using nothing else. If it's not Native, if it's not Method Man, I don't want it. First one in the class.